Master these rules of money. These guidelines not only set the foundation for financial stability but also pave the way toward a prosperous future. By following these rules consistently, your odds of becoming rich significantly increase over time. Furthermore, understanding and implementing these strategies will equip you with the necessary tools to overcome obstacles and attain financial freedom. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Financial goal setting. This practice provides a clear direction for your money journey, allowing you to make informed decisions on how to manage your wealth. By setting specific and attainable goals, you can measure progress and create a roadmap towards independence. Establishing these goals ultimately creates a sense of purpose and motivation, paving the way for a successful and secure financial future. Number 2. Pay yourself first. This foundational principle encourages you to prioritize personal savings and investments before taking care of other expenses. Setting aside a portion of your income ensures that your future financial needs are met. Implementing this strategy can lead to a more secure future and instill disciplined spending habits. Number 3. Money is exchange of value. It represents the worth we attribute to goods and services, shaping our economy and financial transactions. This concept has evolved over time from bartering systems to the current digital currencies we utilize today. Understanding the principle of money as an exchange of value is vital for both personal and professional financial success. Number 4. Spend less than you make. This simple yet profound principle serves as the foundation for financial success and stability. By diligently employing this tactic, individuals can slowly, but surely, build a secure financial future for themselves and their loved ones. Furthermore, understanding and adhering to this golden rule encourages the development of healthy financial habits, setting the stage for long-term prosperity. Number 5. Importance of budgeting. By creating a budget, you can gain better control of situations. A well-structured budget serves as a roadmap for spending and saving, enabling people to set realistic financial goals and track their progress over time. Furthermore, exercising diligent budgeting practices can help mitigate debt, reduce financial stress, and start the journey of financial freedom. Number 6. Understand your credit score. A solid credit score is the key to unlocking financial opportunities such as loans, mortgages, and lower interest rates. By keeping track of your credit score and taking steps to improve and maintain it, you can secure a strong financial future. Developing a deeper knowledge of credit and their implications will empower you to make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Number 7. Pay bills on time. Not only does it demonstrate responsibility and good money management skills, but it can also prevent costly late fees, damage to credit scores, and potential legal consequences. Establishing a consistent payment schedule and employing available tools, such as automatic payment systems or financial management apps, can aid in keeping track of payment deadlines. Ultimately, mastering the habit of timely bill payment not only brings peace of mind and stability, but also paves the way to achieving further financial goals. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 8. Save 8 to 12 months worth of expenses. Building this financial safety net can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have a buffer in case of unexpected circumstances such as job loss or medical emergencies. By prioritizing and diligently putting money aside for this purpose, you can protect yourself and your family from the stress and anxiety that often accompany financial hardships. Moreover, having a robust emergency fund can help you avoid falling into debt traps and ensure that you maintain a healthy financial standing in the long run. Number 9. Pay off your highest interest debt first. By tackling this type of debt, you can save significant amounts of money on interest payments in the long run. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, not only eases your financial burden, but also accelerates your journey towards true freedom. By diligently paying off high-interest debt first, you can focus on building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Number 10. Investing. This strategy has proven to be beneficial for many investors, as it allows them to ride out market fluctuations and reap the benefits of compounding returns. Diversifying your portfolio with a variety of stocks can help minimize risk and increase the potential for growth over time. By understanding the basics of long-term investments and maintaining a disciplined approach, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Number 11. Estate planning. This process not only ensures that your hard-earned money and property are passed on seamlessly to your rightful heirs, but also helps in reducing tax liabilities, providing for your dependents, and ultimately fulfilling your last wishes. Mastering estate planning is important for any stage of life, as it helps secure the financial future of loved ones. By understanding the various elements of estate planning, such as wills, trusts, and power of attorney, you can make informed decisions that will result in a well-structured and comprehensive plan for your estate. Number 12. Double your portfolio every 10 years. By understanding market trends, carefully selecting investment options, and monitoring progress diligently, you can capitalize on the power of compounding to grow your wealth. A strong grasp of this rule can help you navigate the ever-changing financial landscape and secure a prosperous future. Number 13. Insurance coverage and emergency funds. It serves as a safety net, protecting individuals and their assets against unforeseen challenges. A well-thought-out insurance plan can provide peace of mind and stability in times of uncertainty. By understanding the importance and different types of insurance policies available, individuals can make informed decisions to secure their future. Number 14. Tax planning. By understanding how taxes affect your income and investments, you can make well-informed decisions that help to maximize your wealth. Implementing effective tax planning strategies allows you and businesses to save money, reduce liabilities, and optimize financial resources. This important money rule empowers people to take control, ensuring they get the most out of their hard-earned income. Number 15. Basics of investing and saving for retirement. Saving for retirement is a fundamental financial goal that everyone should strive to achieve. By mastering the basics of retirement planning, you can secure your future and ensure a comfortable lifestyle in your golden years. It's crucial to understand the importance of starting as soon as possible, utilizing various investment vehicles, and regularly reassessing one's financial strategy. A well-crafted retirement plan can make all the difference in providing peace of mind and financial stability in our later years. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.